All right, here you go.
Run it. Are you recording right now?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So colors. So if this is the first time I'm ever using it, it'd be nice to and I don't know how to do anything. Maybe detect if it's my first time using it, and then you tell me how to do something. That's why some programs come up with a little startup window that says here's a hint on what to do, right?
All right.
So then, yep, I see you can draw. I can draw stuff, and then I'll just do clear. Yeah, cool, that works. And then if I were to draw something, then erase. These seem pretty good. The size of it'd be cool that for the size, if I move the size, it showed me the actual silhouette of the cursor size. Right now I'm just guessing and checking, right? To see how big it is. So it'd be cool to have a little feedback icon to show me the actual size of the thing when I move this little slider. That's cool. Change the color. Does that work? Cool. I have color selector. I'm going to press that. And then there. Cool. And then how big can it get? There it is. Nice. And then if I do forward page, I can draw. So interesting. When I change the page, notice the color reset back to black. So that's something we might want to improve. I don't know if it's a feature or a bug, right?
Well, I kind of put it that way, assuming that people would want to draw different things on different pages. But I could see if you were doing a long animation and you wanted one page to be sort of similar to the first, you would want the color to stay.
So what does this undo do if I click undo versus redo?
Undo. Oh, it's...
Oh, I see. So it's really undo. Oh, I see. Cool. Let's see. That did work. Cool. And then... So notice my undo redo. If I draw more stuff in between my undo and redo, it doesn't clear, which might be something, interesting. Cool. It does work to an extent. So if I go back, does it? Yep. So the back and forward work. And then what happens if I? How do I play? Do I have to go to File or Play from Beginning? If I go Play from the beginning, does it show me different pages? Cool. The playback speed. Can I modify the playback speed while it's doing that? So let me increase that. Play from beginning.
Oh, you made it go up really high.
So it's so fast that it's sped through.
Oh, no, that's a bug. I think you'll have to make... I think after it played from the beginning, it didn't...
So I can't play it again?
Yeah.
So
I
we might
have
want
to reset that.
Yeah. All right. And then what happens if I...
Well, you probably want to start it up because it's now locked.
Can I save it?
It's now in thread lock because the way
Can I save it? And then does it save the pages? So if I save it...
I'm not sure if it will work or not because you did get it in thread lock. But
deadlock or
thread lock? Yeah.
We usually call that deadlock, but I don't know if thread lock is... Maybe. I don't know. So how do I load from the thing that I just saved,
Well, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it didn't save because it was locked.
So let's say
if
I save
this.
And then what happens? How do I load it up again?
Well, it's right here in the...
So what does it save? It saves the pictures. It outputs the pictures. Oh, cool. So...
Oh, and actually, this is your previous work right here. So it did work.
So the save worked. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go back to your success criteria now that I've used it. So it is easy to use. However, a couple places it was not intuitive. I would add little instructions maybe, and some little feedback of what's happening.
Okay.
Modify the color. I was able to do that, thickness and transparency. And I said it'd be nice to have a thickness kind of feedback silhouette on the slider, as well as maybe the color, a feedback of what the current color is chosen, right?
Oh, okay.
That'd be good to have on the main page. User will have the ability to save pages within a data structure. That worked. Although, I don't know if save is the right word we want to use. It seems more like print to pictures, right?
Okay.
So because save implies that I could reload it later on, which might be something that we would want as a future feature, is to reload a saved...
you would have to insert the image
don't worry about
that was saved.
Don't worry about that. But you know what I mean. That could be a feature. I don't care how it would be done, but that would be a cool feature to have, right?
All right.
The ability to edit pages after they've been saved to the data structure. So yeah, I was able to edit. Undo, I don't know about if after saving, I would remove this after it's been saved to the data structure. You don't need this in your success criteria.
Okay.
Just ability to edit pages that when, like, after you've added new pages, right?
Okay.
Go back to edit pages that you've already added before, right? Something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Undo and redo worked. I don't know. The onion skin.
I'll show you that.
What's the onion skin?
So you're on page number 1 right now, but if I go here, make another page, and I make another page, and let's say I'm like in an animation and I want to like move the ball like slightly to the right. So what I would do is make a new page and then go to highlight the previous page.
Oh, so it shows the previous.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So then you go, and so on and so forth.
Oh, cool. It's a pretty cool feature. I did not know that that's what that option did. So maybe like some little like tutorial or something. Highlight previous page or display previous silhouette. That's cool. All right, and then let's go back to this. So that forwards and backwards buttons switched between pages worked. The ability to save created pages to a user's desktop, we did that and it worked. But I didn't know if it saved successfully.
Oh, I should have
maybe,
like a pop-up.
Maybe like
save.
A little message that says successfully saved. Yeah. Playback features worked when I played it, but there was one issue where it crashed because of something, right?
Well, it's you tried to play it back after you played it back already.
Yeah, so I can only play it back once.
Yeah, I'd have to like reset everything.
So basically, yeah, maybe a feature to replay it if I wanted to play it again, right? That'd be a cool feature to add, or really that should just be a part of it.
Yeah.
All right. Be able to modify the delay between each page. That worked, although it would be nice to have a feedback of what number my slider is on.
Okay.
It's like milliseconds between pages or something like that, or seconds between pages. That'd be good. As I slide the slider, some sort of numerical feedback. All right. I think that's it.